Good morning all. In today's class we are discussing about how to develop a transfer function of generator. So DC generator which is separately excited. Okay. So there are few cases. Usually in case of DC generator, when we otherwise in control system, when we talk about transfer function, it is nothing else like it is just a ratio of output by input, right? The ratio of output by input when all the initial conditions are assumed to be 0. So the input in a DC separately excited DC generator will be naturally the input field excitation voltage Vf, and what will be the output? If it is in no load condition, the terminal voltage will be the output, or the armature current will be the output in loaded case. So the ratio of this output divided by the input will be the transfer function of the system. So similarly we are here to derive what will be the transfer function of the generator. Okay, so the input is field excitation, output can be either in no load condition and load condition. So let's see in detail. Okay, so Vf is equal to Rf plus Lfs into If. So this is the field equation in Laplace transform. Similarly we are getting the terminal voltage equation Va as equation number 2. Now we are substituting If and we are assuming a no load condition, so the second term will be equated to 0. So after substitution you will get what? Va is equal to, that is the terminal voltage Va or Ea, because there is no, it's in a no load condition, md omega r Vf by Rf plus SLF. So if you take Rf outside, you will get kg by Rf into 1 plus tau f into S, which is Va by Vf. This is the transfer function in no load condition. So kg is the constant, generator constant, md omega r. Okay, and tau f is equal to Lf by Rf. So this is the field time constant. This we have seen earlier when we discussed about generator, separately excited generator. Okay, so that is transfer function being derived in no load condition. If it's in a loaded condition, so the output will be Ia. So we again substitute for If, and we have the equation of terminal voltage in terms of load RL plus LL into S into Ia. So we can write Ia is equal to md omega r Vf by Rf into 1 plus tau f. So here we are taking tau f outside, and here we are taking RL plus RA outside. So you will get 1 plus S tau, where tau is equal to LL plus LA, which is load its self inductance and armature self inductance, divided by RL plus RA. So that is the time constant together with load and armature, and the field time constant tau f. So the transfer function will be Ia by Vf. That will be the transfer function of the separately excited DC generator in load condition. So that's simple derivation. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you.